I'm gonna show you how to install My Talking Tom 2 plus Relax Beats app in your mobile devices. So to get started, you have to open your Google Play Store or App Store first. And then once you're there, you just have to type in or search in My Talking Tom 2. And then once you locate My Talking Tom 2, all you have to do is just click on install and then copy these right here. And then click on install. And once you click on install, just click on the second one because it's the same on the first one, and then just click on install. And then from there, just have to wait for it to download, and then after that we just have to wait for it to install too. So after that, we just have to speed it up, and then once you speed it up and once you're done, it will automatically install into your mobile devices. And then after that, we just have now to install a Relax Beats app. And then from here, all you have to do is just type in search again, then click on Relax Beats app. And then from first, you have to click and then select all the Relax Beats app available right here. I make sure download the most highest download. So I'm just gonna select one, and then from here I'm just gonna click on install. And then once you click on install, all you have to do is the same thing. All you have to do is just wait for it to download and wait for it for install in your mobile device. So from here, I'm just gonna wait to download the application, and then once you're downloading, it will automatically install in your device. So all you have to do is just wait, and then once done, it's installing. You're done. All you have to do is just go click open. So that's it. That's how you install My Talking Tom 2 plus and Relax Beats app in 2025.